Hi, let's explore our micro HD pen camera audio recorder with the long battery life. So obviously the pen actually is a audio and video recorder, and this pen actually works on both continuous and motion recording. So inside the box we get it comes with this nice case. Comes with a booklet with some instruction guide. It both in English and Korean. Then you got attachment, which is an extended battery bank for the pen, a charging cord, a tiny stand for this extended battery bank, extra refill, and the actual pen. Cool, let's go ahead and check out some specs and how to make it work. Okay, so the first thing, let's check out the things you get inside the package. And obviously this is an extended battery bank which can take AAA batteries, 3 of them. But if you wanna, let's say you're traveling or you want to extend the battery life, you have placed it somewhere and you want to actually hook it up with this, you can always do that. What it does, the pen itself runs for 1.5 hours with this on battery, but if you want to extend the battery life, you want to record it extensively, you can always use the power bank to connect it with this. So basically what you can do, use the cable that comes inside the package. To charge the pen, you will simply remove the cap, connect the USB to the inside of it, just up here. Clicks it, and just charge it with your PC or the signal lighter or the wall charger, roughly for 2 hours. And then once it's fully charged, it actually comes up with the light here. We'll look into it in a bit. Yep. And then you can always extend the battery life to up to 5.5 hours in total if you use the extra battery bank on top of it. Cool. Let's check out how it works in a bit. Cool. So after charging it for 2 hours, the pen should be ready to be used. I'll just remove this away, cap it back again. Alright, so if you want to know how much the pen has been charged, they are just outside it. Up here you got 2 holes. The top hole tells you how much battery has it got. If it's red, that means the battery is between 0 to 30%. If it turns blue, it actually means that the battery is between 30 to 80%, and when it turns green, it means you are between 80 to 100% battery. Cool. The second one is the second hole right under the battery indicator or the power indicator is the reset button. You don't have to use it unless there's some issue with the pen. Otherwise, it's just a reset button. If you want to just reset the whole thing, you can absolutely use that. At the bottom of it, right here, there's a slider. If you slide it up, it goes on to continuous recording mode. If you slide it all the way down, it means it's on motion detection mode. Now the continuous recording and motion detection records for 10 minutes. If it's continuous recording, it will continuously record until you press the camera button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. The light flashes 3 times. That means that it has stopped recording. If it's on motion, it will keep on recording whenever. So it records when actually there is a motion detector in front of the camera. Right here, that's where the lens is. If someone walks in front of the camera within the 65 degrees angle, it will record and keep recording for 10 minutes and then goes in standby and waits if there's another motion detected. If there's another movement, it will start recording again for 10 minutes and so on. If there is no motion, it will sleep and wait till someone walks in front of it. Cool. Yep, everything records on the SD card. You can always insert the SD card. You can take out the SD card, so just insert it into the slot. Okay, so the way you insert it in is cool. The USB facing downwards and the label side facing upwards. So label side up, so you just hold it like this, and the label side facing upwards, insert it in, and it slides in nicely. Just clicks in. There you go. It's sitting nicely. You'll feel it that it's actually fully inserted. But the SD card, you can take out the SD card, plug it to your computer, or just use the data cable that comes inside the package to transfer your information across. The good thing is during recording, no lights will be on the pen, so it's completely discreet. It can be used like a normal pen, but on top of it, if you are charging your pen, you can still record the videos. So it works both in the charging and unplugged mode. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. The resolution of this pen is 2K. The resolution is 1280p, so it's a very crispy, clear, high resolution recording. And that's pretty much it. You got any issues with the pen, you're most welcome to reach us out, and we'll be here to assist you right away.